This video will show you how to replace your fog lamp cover on this Toyota Corolla. This will be mounted to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Now we're under the front corner of the bumper cover. We're going to start dislodging the forward portion of our fender liner. You're going to find that you have two 10mm bolts. There's one in the front here. One making our way along the bumper cover. Now from that bolt, as you make your way inboard, you're going to find a plastic push clip. Remove the center to unlock it, and then remove the outer portion. For this, I'm using a trim tool. You can also use a flat blade screwdriver if necessary. Now we should be able to take hold of this. We're going to flex the bumper cover and pull this out of the way. Let's make our way up inside this area. With the fender liner out of the way, we're looking along the back side of the bumper cover, and this is where we can see our fog lamp cover. This has 4 locking clips. Each one of them is pretty much the same process. It has a locking tab in the center that you need to depress, and then you should be able to start pressing this straight forward, out and away from the bumper cover. You can do this by hand sometimes. Other times you may have to use some pliers. Okay, this is starting to push out along the top. I'm going to pause with those upper ones and move along to the lower hardware next. Let's get this one. And then our last one right here. There it is, friend. Let's make sure we clean the mounting area. For this, I'm just using a clean rag and some glass cleaner. We don't want to use any type of detergent, which can cause an issue with the plastic bumper cover. Just make sure nothing's cracked, worn, or damaged. It's time to install that brand new fog lamp cover. We're going to take this and start bringing it into position, aligning our 4 locking tabs. Once you have everything aligned, gently press it in, listen for a click, and make sure it's locked in. I'm just going to make my way along the back side here. We'll take hold of each one of these plastic clips. I'm giving them a wiggle, confirming that I can see the locking tab on each one of them. It needs to protrude through the back side of the bumper cover. Take hold of that fog lamp cover and attempt to push it out and away from the bumper cover. It should not move. I'm just going to make my way along the back side here. We'll take hold of each one of these plastic clips. I'm giving them a wiggle, confirming that I can see the locking tab on each one of them. It needs to protrude through the back side of the bumper cover. Take hold of that fog lamp cover and attempt to push it out and away from the bumper cover. It should not move. Now we can get our fender liner back in place. The fender liner is going to go on the outside of the bumper cover as far as this side corner is concerned. As you make your way towards the front, we want to pull down on the bumper cover and we'll slide that fender liner up and above it. Inside of each of those 2 ports, we're going to be using one of our 10mm headed mounting bolts. We can start those in. Snug them up. We have the area for our push clip. Let's get that in there. Double check to make sure that's secured in place. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. Just double check to make sure it's secured in place. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.